Never cheap out on infra. Never. It doesn't work. I've tried it. Doesn't work. Don't try it. No SMTP bullshit. No, yeah, let me just like trick the system. There's no tricking the system. The system has been tricked enough. There's no tricking the system anymore. You have to pay money. There's no other way around. So never cheap out on infrastructure. Meaning, never cheap out on domains, never cheap out on inboxes, never cheap out on verification, never cheap out on email sequencing tools, right? And that's also the next thing. I would highly recommend either going with Instantly if you are on a tighter budget, or that's what we use, emailbison.com. That's an exclusive club, so I'm not sure if you can like join there. If you are sending out serious volume and you're about it, etc., you'll get in there. If you can't, use Instantly. Just Instantly AI. It's gonna work out well. I've used Smartly in the past. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that happy with that anymore, so I'm not using it. So we switched over to Email Bison. But I have a couple of clients that use Instantly. I have a couple of friends that use Instantly. From what I've seen, because I've been in their account and whatnot, helped them with emails. From what I've seen, Instantly works pretty fine. So that's pretty cool. Yes. So you need Instantly or Email Bison, and you need scaled mail, domains, and inboxes. That's pretty much it. So you never cheap out on infra. You get Instantly or Email Bison, and you get scaled mail, domains, plus inboxes. So warm-up settings, just like slowly ramp up. Just follow scaled mail, best practices, because these best practices, they always keep changing and they update them, and they will just let you know whenever you have to do that. But the best part is they set up the domains for you and the inbox as well. They put them into your account and they set up warm up for you, so you don't really have to know this. So I'll just skip this. And then one thing you have to know is cold email ramp up. So it's the ramp up of how fast you're getting to your theoretical sending limit of, say, 20 emails a day per Google inbox, right? After you've completed warm-ups after 14 days, right? By the way, never skip warm-up periods, 14 days. After the 14 days of warm-up, you'll keep the warm-up running. You never, also very good. Never stop warm-ups. We don't stop warm-ups. Warm-ups keep running. So after you're there, you're going to probably start with 10 emails a day for the first couple good days. And then you go to like 13-ish, right? And then you go to 16-ish. And then you can make the jump to 20-ish, or like 20 emails per day after, say, next couple days. Yeah. Keep it as human as possible. Like the ramp up shouldn't be like straight linear. You can just like, whenever you feel like ramping it up, ramp it up. It's basically it. I'm being serious. Like I'm not being sloppy or anything. I'm genuinely being serious. The more human you keep it, the better. So, boom, that's done. And to send out 1,000 emails a day, if you have a max of 20 emails per day per Google inbox. By the way, just buy Google inboxes. No need for Azure, Outlook, etc. I just don't see that happening. I've never found proper ROI in Outlook inboxes. It's always been super annoying because Outlook is super hard to manage. Because they're like Outlook itself, Microsoft itself, they have like super harsh cold emailing regulations or whatnot. They keep monitoring everything. It's just annoying to get around. Just Google. Works pretty well. Done. Yes. So to send out 1,000 emails a day with 20 emails a day per inbox, per Google inbox, right? For Outlook, it's different. It's like 5. Or anyway, 1,000 divided by 20 is obviously 50. So you need 50 inboxes, and you need like 3 inboxes per domain. So you will get 17 domains, right? This is your grocery list, your buy list. You get 17 domains. You get 50 email inboxes at 20 per day each, which will equate to 1,000 per day, right? That's pretty much it.